The European Parliament has voted overwhelmingly to issue proceedings against the Czech Republic Prime Minister Andrej Babiš for breaches of EU law, including a conflict of interest relating to EU agricultural funding. Last December, the European Commission concluded in an audit that Andrej Babiš, the billionaire turned politician, breached domestic and EU conflict of interest legislation in relation to his control over Agrofert, the agriculture conglomerate he founded. MEPs say they want to see action taken against him.
The EU rules clearly say conflicts of interest need to be resolved. So if this conflict of interest needs to be resolved, there's three concrete things that the Czech Prime Minister can do. He can resign as Prime Minister, he can sell his company, or he can stop receiving EU funds. So one of these three he has to pick. And if he doesn't, well, then either we need to stop paying money to the Czech Republic, or the other heads of state and government need to refuse to let him to the negotiation table. Because we cannot just tolerate that a conflict of interest persists at the very heart of decision-making of the European Union.
The European Commission has been heavily criticised for not taking action against states breaching laws relating to corruption or democratic values. This is despite the fact that its own audit ordered the subsidies awarded to Agrofert as being irregular and should be returned. Meanwhile, Czech police have recommended for a second time that the Prime Minister should be indicted over fraud involving these EU subsidies. Today's European Parliament vote is a step closer for an EU prosecution, but it'll require the European Commission and the Member States to act. Shona Murray, Euronews.